Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case from Supcase for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Today I will be reviewing the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is their heavy duty case. This is the case you want if you need if you work in construction, if you like to hike, or if you're prone to drop your phone a lot, then you may want to pick up this case because it will add that extra protection that you may need with your device. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Does everything fit well? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. But here it is, nice little packaging from there. It looks so much smaller than, say, like a fold case. But Unicorn Beetle Pro, it has a little drop protection there. Just a normal package you get from Supcase. I've been using Supcase for the last couple years now, and they have never disappointed me. But let's see what you get in the box. It tells you not to put the phone face down, which we'll try not to. It does have a belt clip in here. So if you like to wear it on your belt clip, you can definitely do so. I'm not a big fan of belt clips. I don't really use them, but we will try it out. So here's the front. It does have, like I said, a built-in screen protector. It does have a adhesive strip. I'm going to peel it off for the purpose of the video. But here's the back. It has a kickstand on there. It does have a hinge protection. What I noticed too, this is a soft little cushion back there. So that should help with scratching up your hinge. Because a lot of cases that has the hinge protection, some people complain about getting scratches. Honeycomb pattern inside. But let's see how this bad boy fits. Put this. I want to make sure that you have it in there good. The only thing I'm going to complain about is the built-in screen protector. Give me one without it. I know you can remove it. Shout out to one of my subscribers. They actually said that if you warm up some water in a microwave, make it hot, soak it in there for a few minutes, and it helps with the adhesive to loosen it up and take it off easier. Just want to make sure the case is on there. But here it is, look at that, nice and compact, but it does add bulk, but you have a lot extra grip there. Everything lines up here. The fingerprint scanner is easy to get to. The vine rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. It does cover up your display when it's open. As you can tell there, it does cover that up. But you do get the camera protection and also lip action at the same time. You get a lot of protection there. But you also have the screen. Let's see how sensitive the screen is. It's good. But the biggest gripe I have is that it feels like you're touching plastic because you are. So that's my biggest gripe. But it works. Not bad at all. Opening it up, closing it. The only thing too is this keeps on. There's no like magnet to shut it, so is that a deal breaker for y'all? I don't think so. Because if you close it, you keep your finger on it shut. But if you do this, then you have to do that. It's not a deal breaker. Now the overall fit is going to take some effort to get this off, so it doesn't just come off. Right here it does. Let's see if I have. Let me see if I have this snap on there good. Alright, so the only thing I noticed on here is that trying to take this bottom screen, you can pull it off, but it takes some effort, but you can pull it out. But I don't think that's bad at all, because it's not like it's, look, I'm folding it. It's not moving on me, so I don't think that's a big deal breaker either. But this is definitely a heavy duty case. I like the kickstand. Like I said, you can use it like this, not open. But if you want to open it, you have a nice little kickstand. Now, if you turn it to the side, it does rock a little bit, so it's not really meant for the side so much. It's more meant like that. But again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.